Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some Christmas French toast. Alright, as you can see here in our bowl, I have added 2 large eggs. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a cup of milk, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a tablespoon of sugar. And then we're just going to whisk this up till everything is nice and combined. Alright, let's move on to the griddling. Alright, as you can see, I've got a griddle going over medium to a little bit under medium-high heat. And I dipped our bread. And basically, you want to griddle this a couple minutes aside. As you can see, I buttered the griddle, because French toast can get sticky because of the eggs. If you're really worried about calories, you don't have to use butter, but I mean, you're splitting hairs. What's the difference? Just use the butter. You don't actually use all that much of it. And then, like I said, a couple of minutes aside. All right, and then after a little bit, it's time to give these a flip. Then give them a couple more minutes on the other side, and we should be ready to serve. Okay, now it's time to just serve it up. Got my little cutting board out here. We're going to do 3 pieces, and that's it. Serve with your favorite topping of choice, and that's Christmas French toast. Done.